Hey travelers, welcome back to Daniela's Reels, your go-to for travel tips and booking hacks. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss a travel update. Today we're breaking down the real rules for canceling, changing, or getting a refund on flights booked through trip.com. So let's dive in. Part 1. Cancellation rules. Booked a flight on trip.com and need to cancel? Here's what you need to know. First, open the trip.com app or website. Go to My Trips, find your flight, and tap Cancel Booking. Second, eligibility for cancellation depends on the airline's fare rules, not trip.com. Third, some tickets are refundable, some are not. Before confirming cancellation, trip.com shows you the exact refund amount, including any service fees. Good to know, trip.com doesn't add extra fees. You only pay what the airline charges. After cancellation, refunds usually process in 7 to 15 working days, but this can vary depending on your bank or card provider.
Part 2. Flight date changes. Need to reschedule your flight instead of canceling? You can do that too. First, go to My Trips, select your flight, and choose the Change Flight option. If your fare allows changes, you'll see available new dates and times. Airline change fees and fare differences will apply. You'll be shown all costs before confirming. If your ticket is non-changeable, unfortunately, you won't be able to modify it. Always check your ticket's fare rules at the time of booking. They'll tell you upfront if it's flexible or not. Part 3. Important tips. Cancel or modify as early as possible to avoid higher penalties. No-shows. Missing your flight without canceling often mean you lose the full amount. In case of flight disruptions, like delays or cancellations from the airline, trip.com may offer additional help or full refunds depending on the airline policy. Trip.com also has a change or cancellation guarantee service on some bookings. This offers more flexibility, so keep an eye out for that when booking.
And that's it. Now you know exactly how trip.com flights work when it comes to cancellation, date changes, and refunds. Got questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll reply. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to help others too. Thanks for watching Daniela's Reels. See you on the next travel tip.